Welcome to our next episode of Pop's Garage. Today we're going to take a minute and give you a general check over underneath the hood. Something we recommend doing about once a month just to make sure everything's ready to go for wherever you need to travel. So when doing an underhood check, the only thing you really need is a rag to check, a flashlight, and sometimes a screwdriver depending on your air filter housing. And we're going to start from the passenger side and work our way to the driver's side. First thing we're going to check in this car is our power steering fluid. Now our power steering fluid got a good clear housing, so we're able to see that our level is right at our hot max. This vehicle was just recently driven in. Sometimes you can't see that. Ours also does have a dipstick, so we're able to check it and check our fluid. And we're really just looking if our fluid's really burnt. If it smells burnt, we're probably going to be looking at doing a power steering flush on that. If it's not, we're good to go. Our level is fine. Make sure that gets topped off. On this particular vehicle, air filter is right here. Sometimes your air filter will be on the other side. Sometimes the housing's mounted the other way and it's wider and it's got some screws on it. Ours just has a couple of clips. Obviously we had that unclipped already. This one, you got to kind of fight it back. We're going to pop that air filter out and we're going to fight this sucker out of there. These can be a little bit tough to pull out. We're going to get it out. We're going to look at it. You can see we have a very plugged air filter. So we're going to actually swap this out while we've got it out. Just run out of the parts store. Now sometimes you can put it back in there, run to your parts store. They'll even change it out for you at some of them. Just ask them, see what they can do. If not, you can change it out right in the parking lot, toss it in their trash. We'll put that back in there here in a little bit. We're going to close that back up, seal it up. Of course, we're going to check the oil. Now, if you've watched our first video, you already know how to check your oil. If you don't, go back and watch our first video. See how to check your oil. It's something that's very important to do. We're going to move on from that though. Next is our radiator. Now we're going to feel the top of our radiator cap's hot. We're not going to open that. That is not a good idea. It'll spew hot coolant. It can scald you. It's not safe. Really, for the general check, you don't need to. Ours has an overflow next to it. Most cars do. You're going to check it. This is where the flashlight comes in. You can look down here. It's kind of dark. You really can't see what's in that bottle. But if you put a flashlight on top of it, you can see the level where it gets darker right down here. And then you can kind of shake the bottle and you can see the fluid moving. And that tells you we're just below our full level, which is exactly where we want to be. Next is our washer fluid because it's right next to it. Check our washer fluid. If we can't see washer fluid, we're going to add it. We are a little low in this car, so we're going to add washer fluid when we finish this up also. Our next one, we're going to pop right over. We're going to check our battery. We're just looking for corrosion and tight cables. As long as our cables are tight, there's no corrosion on it, quick, simple check. Lastly, on this car, it's going to be our brake fluid. Brake fluid, again, that's why you want the light. Look at the reservoir on it, really can't tell much. When you add a light to it, now you can see the fluid in it. We can see our fluid is clean and clear. We also can see it's just below the maximum. That means it's right where we want it to be. If you need to, you can pop the cap, look in there, check your fluid. Sometimes you got a little protector in there. You can pop that out, check your fluid underneath. Our fluid is good. We're all set and ready to go. Make sure all of our caps are back on tight when we're done. Make sure our air filter's closed up once we put that new air filter in it. And now you've checked your car for the month and you're ready to go. Thanks for joining us here at Pop's Garage, teaching you the things every pop should teach you.